Categories, tags, and brands are how your store is structured and provide helpful cues that enable buyers to filter down to the products that are most interest to them. A product can exist in one category and one brand but multiple tag filters. For example, a product might be a bowl of sauce in the sauces category but also be tagged as gluten-free and dairy-free. Buyers can filter to show products from a combination of their selected categories, tags, and brands. You can also apply coupons to only certain combinations of categories, tags, and brands for offers on a subset of your products. If you want different ways to categorize your products from the default settings, it's easy to customize the name of categories, tags, and brands to something else in your store preferences area.